Welcome to Thailand VIP Travel, your exclusive gateway to paradise. Nestled away from the hassles of city life lies the exotic Maldives with a thriving culture, enthralling water sports, and places that will please every kind of traveler. From exploring the Maldivian culture to diving deep into the marine life wonders, there are hundreds of unique activities to do in the Maldives. There are a plethora of places to visit in Maldives. You can take part in enthralling water sports at different atolls. There is a huge variety of water sports available like parasailing, surfing, kite surfing, and much more. Or you can head to the local markets for shopping handicrafts, souvenirs, sarongs, clothing, etc. Also, if you are an architecture enthusiast, you can visit some archaeological sites, the President Palace, National Museum, the Thimu, and whatnot. Moreover, you can go island hopping via ferry, yachts, and seaplane ride. If you are planning to visit Maldives, and the best time would be between November to April. This time will be perfect for taking part in water sports, cultural tours, and hundreds of exciting things to do in the Maldives. Adu City in the Maldives. Adu Atoll, also known as Sinu Atoll, is a beautiful part of the Maldives. Unlike other atolls in the Maldives, Adu Atoll has a lagoon that's a natural harbor, making it a great choice for tourists who want to enjoy calm waters and explore the surrounding islands. If you're looking for a more traditional Maldivian experience, you can visit one of the other inhabited islands in Adu Atoll, such as Hitatu, Maridu, or Fitu. These islands have a more local feel and offer a chance to experience Maldivian culture. No matter which island you choose to visit, you're sure to have a great time in Adu Atoll. The atoll is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the Maldives, as well as a variety of marine life. You can go snorkeling or diving, or simply relax on the beach and soak up the sun. Mafushi Island. Mafushi Island is a fantastic honeymoon destination in the Maldives. It offers a perfect blend of serenity, romance, and affordability compared to the more luxurious private island resorts. Unlike some of the more crowded islands in the Maldives, Mafushi Island boasts a laid-back atmosphere. This allows couples to truly unwind and enjoy quality time together amidst breathtaking scenery. Mafushi Island offers a variety of guest houses and hostels that cater to honeymooners. These accommodations provide a charming and intimate setting for your romantic getaway. Relish fresh seafood dishes and Maldivian specialties at the island's many restaurants. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or cultural immersion, Mafushi Island has something to offer every honeymooning couple. Halaveli Islands. Sometimes complete isolation and solitude can be the perfect remedy for rejuvenation and distressing. The Halaveli Islands, also known as Constance Halaveli Maldives, offers the perfect escape for those seeking peace and serenity. With over 55 water villas set cosily amidst a blissful surrounding, this place forms a tranquilizing getaway for couples and friends. Embark on a traditional Maldivian dhonie boat and explore the crystal-clear waters surrounding the island. Enjoy stunning views and feel the warm Maldivian breeze. Take a boat trip in search of playful dolphins in their natural habitat. Witnessing these majestic creatures jumping out of the water is a truly unforgettable experience. Explore the vibrant underwater world teeming with colorful fish and coral reefs. The Maldives is renowned for its marine biodiversity, making it a snorkelers and scuba divers' paradise. So, if you're looking for a place to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with nature, the Halaveli Islands are the perfect destination for you. Mallet Island. Mallet Island is the capital and most populous city of the Maldives. It's also one of the most densely populated cities in the world, with a population of over 211,000 people crammed into a tiny 8.3 square kilometers, 3.2 square miles. Mallet Island is a fascinating place to visit, with a mix of modern and traditional buildings, bustling markets, and beautiful mosques. Despite its small size, Mallet is a vibrant and exciting city with a rich history and culture. The island is home to many important government institutions, including the President's Office and the Parliament of the Maldives. It's also a center of commerce and trade, with a busy port and a growing tourist industry. If you're looking for a relaxing beach vacation, Mallet Island is not the place for you. However, if you're interested in learning about Maldivian culture and history, or if you're just looking for a unique and interesting city to explore, Malé is definitely worth a visit.